Welcome to the Wellness Hub, your space for natural living and holistic health. Here, we dive into the healing power of nature, from time tested natural remedies to mindfulness, wellness practices, and nourishing superfood to fuel your body from within. If you're looking to boost your immunity, manage stress naturally, and embrace a healthier, more balanced organic lifestyle, you're in the right place. Subscribe now, and together let's grow a natural organic community. Let's take this wellness journey together, one natural step at a time. Welcome to the Wellness Hub, where your health blooms naturally. Subscribe now and let's start your wellness journey.